Hello friends, it's me. Today we are gonna check out the New Year's update. Make sure to like and subscribe. Enjoy the video. So guys, first Christmas items have been removed from the game. So now we can delete all these items. Let's delete this also. Now it's gone. Say goodbye to this area. So guys, now let's see what all things did they add in city area. Look at this new area. They are even gonna do a live countdown. So guys, now let's see what all items did they add. New star balloon. New floating balloons. Star balloons. New ceiling spiral. New hanging star. Balloon arch. Commercial confetti cannon. So guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you all next time. Bye guys.